This is the thought process behind my carousel designs. When designing carousels, I always aim for minimal and clear content. The idea is to make the designs visually appealing while keeping the information easy to grasp at a glance. Title for resources. For resource lists, I keep the title simple and clear. For resource carousels, I focus on keeping the title straightforward and clear. This makes it easy for viewers to immediately understand what they'll gain from the post. Title for other posts, I go for a curious, "What's that?" vibe. When it comes to other types of posts, I prefer adding a hint of curiosity. A "What's that?" type of title grabs attention and encourages people to explore further. Layouts for resources, same layout on all slides with short text and a link. Elements stay in the same position. Resource carousels follow a consistent layout. Each slide features short text and a clear link, with all elements staying in the same position. This consistency ensures a professional and cohesive look. Layouts for text-only posts. Max 3 lines of simple, easy-to-read text per slide. For text-only posts, I keep it simple, with a maximum of 3 lines per slide. This helps the audience quickly read and understand the content without feeling overwhelmed. Number of slides for resources, 7 slides total. Cover, 5 resources, and CTA slide. For resource carousels, I stick to 7 slides in total, 1 cover slide, 5 resource slides, and 1 final call to action slide. This structure works perfectly to keep the content balanced. Number of slides for text-only posts depends on the idea. 1 topic per slide, max 10 slides. For text-only carousels, the number of slides depends on the content idea. I cover 1 topic per slide and limit it to a maximum of 10 slides to keep the viewer engaged. It should only take a minute to understand. I like minimal content, so I create it the same way. Finally, my goal is to create carousels that take no more than a minute to understand. That's why I prioritize minimal content. It's quick, effective, and impactful. Let me know if this format works for you.